your eyewitness weather forecast.
Not a bad late December day for us today. We started off in the 20s, warmed into the mid to upper 30s this afternoon. We had some clouds around, but some really good sunshine this afternoon and a beautiful sunset you'll see there at the end of the loop to end the day. Today was the shortest day of the year, of course, the winter solstice. But our coldest days of the season don't happen for at least another month. You'll see here over the course of the next month that our normal or average high temperature drops from 34 to 30. So we'll be seeing those coldest temperatures towards the end of January. A typical night in late January, 12 degrees. But by the time we get to the midpoint of the month, we'll see our average high temperature coming back up, 33 by February 20th. And by the last day of winter, it's back into the lower 40s with nights in the mid 20s. So we are over the hump now in terms of daylight. Days will start getting longer tomorrow, but we won't be over the hump in terms of temperatures until late January. Once we get into February, we start to see that climbing back up a little bit. Tonight, a very typical late December night in the teens, the North Country, 18 in Old Forge, 22 in Utica tonight, 21 in Cooperstown. And tomorrow will be pretty similar temperature-wise. We'll get into the mid-30s, 37 in Utica tomorrow afternoon, 33 in Cooperstown, upper 20s in the North Country tomorrow. And it will be quite breezy, so the wind chill will be a factor. And you'll see here on the Futurecast tonight, we're very quiet tonight. Clear skies, we stay nice and dry. Tomorrow, though, clouds come in and we have snow showers coming in already in the morning. Most of the snow is expected later in the afternoon and evening. You'll see a lake effect snow band setting up for us here. Very cold and breezy tomorrow, and that'll be dropping through the Mohawk Valley tomorrow evening. So be advised that might affect your commute home tomorrow in the evening. Snow showers push off to the south and wind down, it looks like, over the course of the night tomorrow night, leaving us nice and quiet here on Thursday. Does look like we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies there on Thursday, but a nice quiet day. Our next storm system to watch will be arriving here the night before Christmas. So as Santa is flying around, we have rain and snow moving through, and that will continue to impact us, it looks like, on Christmas Day as well. So it's too early to talk specifics. Still a lot of question marks surrounding this storm, but it does look like it'll bring both that chance of rain and snow to the area, maybe some ice Saturday as well. So check back as we get closer for updates on that. Tonight we're clear and dry down into the lower 20s. We'll be in the mid 30s tomorrow afternoon. Very breezy with that chance of snow, mostly in the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow. Very windy overnight tomorrow night, but things quiet down a bit on Thursday. Highs are in the low 30s there. 30s Friday as well. Then Friday night is when we see that next storm coming in with some snow, maybe sleet and ice, some rain as well. That impacts us Saturday. Looks like some flurries for your Sunday, and then it's quiet at the start of next week. Very seasonable for us towards the end of December. Has to be in the lower 30s, it looks like there. So a little bit of snow possible tomorrow and maybe a little bit more on Saturday. But as of right now, nothing to write home about for the first full week of winter.
Thanks, Colleen.
You're welcome.
Here's a look at what's coming up tonight on News Nation.
Tonight, witness weather forecast.
Happy winter solstice, everybody. Today marks the shortest day of the year. We started in the 20s, got into the 30s. It was a nice start to the winter season today. We did get a little bit of sunshine in the afternoon and a beautiful sunset there to end the day. Sunset today was at 4:28 p.m. and we'll be setting later going forward. And we'll also be gaining daylight. Tomorrow we gain a good 2 seconds of daylight, but we'll have gained a half hour over the course of the next month. And the first day of winter. This is a special shout out to David Edelstein. Also means we are one step closer to the first day of spring. Spring now 89 days away for us will happen on Sunday, March 20th. Silver lining. Always love David for pointing that out. Now tonight, chilly. We're already at 30 degrees. It feels more like the lower 20s because of the wind chill factor right now. And we'll have a very typical late December night here tonight. 18 in Old Forge, 22 in Utica, 21 in Cooperstown. So very frosty start to the day tomorrow. Already frosty out there tonight. And we'll get into the 20s to about mid 30s in the afternoon. The Valley, 35 in Ilion tomorrow, 32 in Cooperstown, and we will have a wind chill factor. We'll be getting especially windy later in the day, and even windier actually tomorrow night as well. Tonight we're dry. We have clear skies. We'll have a quiet start to the day early tomorrow morning. Small chance for flurries in the morning, but most of the snow tomorrow expected for us in the afternoon and evening hours. You can see a lake effect snow band will kick on, and those just to the north of the Mohawk Valley could see 1 to 3 inches. A few spots could push 4. Most places, though, just looking at a dusting to half an inch as the snow snow falls here tomorrow into the evening. Looks like it'll be falling in the Mohawk Valley in the evening hours tomorrow, shifting south though through the night tomorrow night, and leaving us pretty quiet here on Thursday. Hopefully getting into some good sunshine at times, but clouds will be back in on Thursday evening, and we'll have actually another chance for a little bit of snow there on Thursday night. Now the storm we're watching will be this storm coming in for Christmas Day. This is actually Christmas Eve night here. The night before Christmas, we have snow, we have rain as a possibility, and you'll see the pink line in here. Just like we saw last Saturday, we could have the chance for some ice. Now there's a lot of question marks still surrounding this storm, how strong it's going to be, exactly where it's going to track, how much to know. If it does bring us snow on Christmas Day, is it going to bring? So check back as we get closer to Saturday. We'll be able to nail down those details. Maybe a white Christmas. Some will have already snow left over that will have fallen through the week this week. So clear skies for us tonight, down into the lower 20s. Tomorrow we're in the mid 30s, but the wind will be picking up, so it'll feel really like the teens by the end of the day tomorrow, and that snow will be falling as well for us in the evening. Then it's pretty quiet here on Thursday, and Friday highs in the 30s. It's Friday night into Saturday, Christmas Day, where we see our next storm with the snow and the rain and possibly some ice. But it doesn't look like a huge impact, at least right now. Like I said, you'll have to check back for some updates on that Christmas Day storm. Looks like some lake effect snow again on Sunday, and chilly to start next week. But luckily the weather turns quieter, it looks like, at the start of next week as well.
Thanks, Colleen.
Yep.
There's more Eyewitness News coming up after the break.